Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, August 21st, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures down about 1.5 points. Right now, futures are sitting at 24.25, spot 25 per contract. So all in all, futures were a little higher. You can see they struggled at this 200-period moving average, and now they've pulled back ever so slightly, but futures only down 1.5 points before the opening bell. We'll see how today plays out. Now, Monday is a little bit on the lighter side as far as news and earnings are concerned, but we still have plenty of movers out here. We have some upgrades and downgrades. Let's go through the leading stocks here. Nike. This was downgraded this morning. Stock trades at 54.30, closed at 54.95. So a little bit of a downtick. It was hit Friday after the earnings were released by Foot Locker. Foot Locker saying that Nike sales were down for them. And you can see here stock trading at 54.30 today, getting a downgrade. Looks like Starbucks had a positive mention in Barron's. I mean, I don't know if we can make too much out of this, but if you take a look at the stock today, it's getting a little bit of a pop. Closed at 52.70. Now trading at 53.15. So you got a little upgrade there. Starbucks has been very, very oversold here, and the stock has been trending lower. So we'll see how it finishes out the day. But some real news out here is going to be Herbalife. Herbalife getting a big pop. It looks like there was some talk with a private equity firm. Some due diligence supposedly was done to go private. So we're getting Herbalife to really get a big spike here. Stock right now is trading at $66.90, closed at $61.95. So that's a $5 pop there for Herbalife. And the news again is that they were in talks with a private equity firm to go private. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes from here. This is a great move. I don't really see the stock getting much above 71.50, but if you own it, trail the stop loss because it might get up there today. Next up, we'll take a look at Goldman Sachs. Looks like they received approval to trade equities in Saudi Arabia. I don't know if that's really going to move the needle much. Stock right now is trading at $222.15. That's exactly where it closed, so no pre-market activity. Looks like we are going to have some other downgrades here. You're going to look at Foot Locker, which we just talked about. They had earnings last week. Stock being downgraded today. Right now, I'm still seeing support for Foot Locker around $32.59. If it gets there, stock right now is trading at $34.26. Finish Line, another one in the same space. Shoe apparel and things along those lines, sporting good apparel. Finish Line trading at $10.84, down a little bit. Changing the theme a little bit, SBUX, which is a solar company, Canadian Solar. Really, I think it is a Chinese solar company. Down at $16, being downgraded as well today. So you have some pretty good downgrades out here. Let's take a look at Fiat Chrysler, FCAU is the ticker symbol here. It looks like that stock's flying high today. It closed at $12.57 on Friday. Now trading at $13.13. That's a pretty good pop. There is some news that a Chinese firm is looking or has looked to buy the Jeep brand. So again, we'll see how that plays out. We'll see if they are open to selling the Jeep brand. But either way, that is the news there. Nice move for Fiat Chrysler. Let's take a look at WUBA, which is another Chinese company. This is 58.com. And what you're going to see here is a nice pop. The stock is trading at $57.70, closed at $53.26. So really good pop here. I believe this is on the back of earnings. And again, a little bit overbought for me. I don't really have any levels. If it gets to around 65 by some chance, I think it can be potentially played on the short side. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where we go. Last but not least, I want to take a look at Electronic Arts today. That's trading up a little bit. Closed at 116.88. Now trading at 117.25. Looks like they are partnering with the NFL to do an annual game tournament with John Madden's football game. So again, little news there. I don't think it's a game changer. But either way, stock is up a little bit there. And Electronic Arts has been very, very strong in 2017. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold catching a bid, trading up $2.40. Take a look at the GLD today. It's trading at $122.42. $122.42 for the GLD. GLD is a good gold ETF to track. Spot gold today, just so you're aware, is at $1,294 an ounce. Crude oil down about 15 cents today to $48.51 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you'll see here is USO trading at $9.90. This is a pretty good oil ETF to track as well. So there you have it. That's what we're looking at today. Last week, we had just a marvelous trading week in the intraday stock chat room. If you haven't done so, come on over. Give it a try. Get the 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. You get to watch us trade live in there. And again, just a great week last week. We had some good volatility, and we're expecting more of the same this week. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. And I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.